Alright, what's up everybody? I'm here back with another video. Actually, this is my first one. My name is Monsai. I'm going to do a car review on the 2019 Toyota Camry XSE. I always have trouble saying that. I got my brother here, Big Moss, behind the camera. Check him out. Link in the description below for his Instagram. Yeah, it's going to be a normal car review. I'm a normal person, so I'm not going to go all into detail. Let's check it out. I'm gonna pop the hood real quick. I want to see what the engine looks like. Let's check it out. I gotta lick the finger. Lube it up. Where is it? Looks like I'm having a little trouble here.
Looks like it's your first time.
Dude, where is it in this car? Oh God, look at this. Oh, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Oh, that was the right one. Come check it out. Alright, so we got the engine here. Got the battery right here.
V12?
V12. I got the racks in the middle. Yeah. No one really cares about this stuff because I don't know any of it. I think it has like 200 something horsepower. Yeah. Well, let's go inside and let's start this thing up. Alright, let's start this baby up. Push the start. Pretty weak on the startup. Sounds like a hybrid. Alright, let's see what this infotainment system looks like here. I like the touchscreen already. I hate those little, you know, when cars have the little squishy touchscreens, kind of like the aftermarket stuff. But this one's like a tactile, kind of like the iPhone screen. You just push it. It's not like those squishy ones where you actually have to really push it. Has the CarPlay. All right, passes right there. I'm not gonna play any music. Copyright. Okay, got the digital dash. Cuckoo. Alright, but let's get to it.
But I think you gotta fix something. Gotta put that baby in a stock mode.
Oh, yeah, I ain't driving on eco mode. Put that thing in sport.
I'm having trouble focusing on that.
Alright. Got it in sport mode. Alright, let's take this for a spin. Let's see how fast this baby can go. Okay, good on gas. Get it out here. Let's see the get up on this baby.
Should I focus out there or focus?
Yeah, just focus out here. I'm gonna have to turn right. Okay, not bad for a Toyota. It's not the Supra, but I'll take it. Got the undercover right there. Big white man.
Big Trump supporter?
Big Trump supporter. Alright, police station right here, you know. I don't care. Still step on the gas.
All gas, no brakes.
All gas, no brakes. Yeah. All right, so far, the car's driving pretty smooth, and still a little lag on the gas pedal. But what do you expect? It's a Toyota. Still driving foreign. You know, the bloody seats kind of make up for the lack of power in it. But you know, we've got flies in here. Get out! There we go. Now we'll go left.
Shit, man, take it easy. Goddamn. Just got these tires.
You scared? Okay, cool. So another cool thing, it says the speed limit, like on the dash, it tells you what the speed limit is on the road you're on. I think that's pretty cool. So, you know, that's a good thing for me, but I'm always going over the speed limit, so. But only in Mexico.
It's only a suggestion.
Yeah. I mean, it says the suggested speed limit on the dash. Let's get that straight. But, you know, in Mexico, you can drive as fast as you want.
Kind of racist.
What you gonna do about it? Big Moss is a little scared back there behind the lens. Right, I'll take it easy. You know, first time driving this car. Guys, let me know what car I should do next. You know, I got a revolving door full of whips, so let me know. I just, you know, chose the Toyota to come out with from the start. Pull out the Lambo next week. Yeah, you know, mom's always calling. Let's see what she has to say. What's Gucci?
What's Gucci?
Gotta let you know, this call is being recorded.
Oh, recording?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll make sure I use some foul language. Okay.
All right. Love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye. All right. You guys just witnessed greatness right there. Talking to my mama. Okay, got it straight away. It says speed limit 40 miles an hour. Car's pretty comfortable. I can't say anything bad about it right now, you know. You know, if I was on a budget, this is probably the car I would get with the bloody seats and everything. Let's see. Let me test out how comfortable it really is. Okay. Red light. Oh, god damn. Leg out the window? Arm out the window? Shit. What am I gonna do next? See if does it have autopilot? No. Dang, okay, pass the test, I'll roll up the window, I don't want all that wind noise in here. I really can't say anything bad about this car yet. It's not fast, that's the only thing, but I like it. I really like it. Stay strapped. Stops here. Let me just check all the features. Okay, we got heated seats. Damn down. that's about it for the special features on this thing. Yeah, no heads-up display. I do like the digital dash. I gotta give it to him. How you liking the car, Big Moss?
Love it. I haven't seen anything that competes yet with it.
Haven't seen it. Okay. So you know, someone was driving a hoopty before this. Let me test out eco mode and see how. Oh, okay. I'm sorry for it, F-150. It wasn't driving fast enough.
Like I said, you're going too slow.
You guys think I should raise? Think I should raise? Suggested speed limit again? I mean, I can't say I'm going that speed, but... Tone it down, tone it down. Let me get over, let me get behind this car. Okay, so when you try to accelerate in eco mode, it's like you're a kid who thinks he's fast, but he's actually really slow. You can see him trying so hard, but he's going nowhere. That's what it feels like.
Most people that drive Honda Civics.
Exactly. Gotta stop by the police station real quick, say what's up. And then we see the piggy. Oh, 2 piggies. 1 piggy, 2 piggy, 3 piggy, 4. 1 piggy coming, knocking on my door. What's up, my brother?
Yeah, they're turning around.
If they pull me over, guess what? He's got a gun.
Got the Draco.
Got the gun. Hop out the car and run. Oh, yeah, I should stop all the way on that one. Pretty cool car. Like it. Toyota Camry 2019 XSE passes the test. I'll be whipping this thing. You know, like I said, if I had no money, this is a car to get. Sorry for whoever car this is, but I wouldn't buy it. I'm looking for in a car. I do like the two-tone, you know, the silver with the black top.
Can you tell the viewers what are you looking for into a car?
What?
What are you looking for a car? What are your...
I'm looking for the aesthetic, you know. I like curves. I also like sharp edges, like on the Lambos and stuff like that. You know, that's a little out of whoever's car this is, a little out of their price range, but I think that might be coming soon to the channel.
What's your budget?
You know, I look up, I don't see no ceiling, so I guess the sky's the limit. It's all good though. But yeah, I mean, this is not the car I'm looking for. Like we saw Supra. I like that two-door coupe. Ooh, I'm gonna try to get my hands on a Dodge Charger Hellcat. I like 4 doors, so I want to drive one of those. But yeah, let's go out of the car and check the trunk space real quick.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna check out the trunk real quick. I forgot to do that at the beginning. Dang, that's pretty cool. Did it know I was gonna open the trunk? Dang. Okay. Dang, that's deep.
Do the test, see if you fit in there.
I can fit a few bodies in here. Let's get.
Alright, let's try it out. Watch your head.
coming out the car. Oh. Still good. All right, that passed the test. I can fit. All right, all in all, passes the test. Looks pretty good, clean, dries well. Let's get it. All right, that's the end of this video. See you guys next time.